Hello, everyone. Get ready for a splash of knowledge on what, how, and why. Stick with me till the end, and we'll uncover the secrets of the water cycle, what it is, how it works, and why it happens. So, grab a seat, and let's make learning about the water cycle as easy as a summer breeze. 1. What is a water cycle? The water cycle is the continuous process of water evaporating, condensing into clouds, and precipitating back to Earth, sustaining life and replenishing water sources. 2. How does it occur? The water cycle occurs through the processes of evaporation, where water turns into vapor due to heat, and condensation, where the vapor transforms into clouds as it cools. Subsequently, precipitation releases water from the clouds in the form of rain, snow, or other precipitation types, completing the cycle. 3. Why does it occur? The water cycle occurs due to the sun's energy, driving the processes of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Solar radiation heats the Earth's surface, causing water to evaporate from oceans, lakes, and rivers, initiating the cycle that maintains the planet's water balance.